welcome to my video for the specialty cocktail from Montreal Opera's L'hiver attend beaucoup de moi. Today we will be making the cocktail Winter Cran Wait. It is a cranberry cocktail, as the name suggests, a hint of winter, so it's got a cinnamon twist. And it is a delicious martini and has a beautiful rim. So let's get started. So I've gone ahead and I've poured a little bit of the syrup into this plate. And I've also poured a little bit of the rimming sugar into this plate. I'm going to be using a martini glass for this. You do not have to use a martini glass. You can use whatever glass you have. Just so you know, it will only be 4 ounces of liquid in the end, so whatever glass you use, just keep that in mind. So, first I'm going to wet all the rim of the glass by slowly rolling it into the syrup. Give it a nice coating. Next, roll it right into the sugar. We have a nice rim. I'm just going to put that aside. Next, we're going to take a martini shaker. If you don't have a martini shaker, don't worry. Anything that seals works. Because all we're doing is that we're emulsifying it a little bit and we're getting it cold. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put in ice to about there. Next, we're going to take our syrup and we're going to add 2 ounces. Next, we're going to take our gin and we're going to add 2 ounces as well. I have this gin. You can use whichever gin you'd like. Next, we're going to shake. First thing we do is we lock it with our tongue. We tap it. You always want to make sure that it's locked, because if it's not, it builds up pressure and can explode all over you. You don't want that. Especially me, I'm wearing this beautiful sparkly outfit. Definitely don't want to get on that. So, it's locked. And then we turn it this way. And we're just going to go back and forth. And we're going to do it for about 7 seconds. Now to unlock this, we will use a technique where we put our hands to the side, put our thumbs up, and just push. Comes right off. Next, we're going to take our prepared glass and our strainer. If you don't have a strainer, anything to just pull back the ice works. And pour. Look at the color of that rim, the color of that drink. It's so beautiful. It's beautiful like the autumn leaves. Let's try it. Oh, it's so lovely. That cranberry with that tart, with the beautifulness of that cinnamon. It feels like I'm drinking winter. Cheers, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments if you like it, if you want more of things like this, if, I don't know, you did something else and, I don't know, maybe marinated some meat with the rim, or, I don't know. You guys can use my products any way you like. I'd love to hear how you've used them, so let me know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to my website to know about new upcoming kits and upcoming things. I have some really amazing things coming up for the holidays. The other 2 cocktails for your kit will be right above me. Enjoy them as well. I really hope you guys enjoy the opera. Till next time.